Hello, I'm so excited that you are here. This is a full HIIT session. So let's start here now with high knees, fast punches. So you try to get up as high up as possible, high knees. And then we go over to reverse lunges. You drive your knee up to your chest. You alternate your left and right knee, or rather leg up. This is the modified box push-ups. So push-ups is easy to do. Then we have slow motion burpees. Up, jump up as high as you can and then walk down into a plank. Now squat floor touches. You alternate the hands that touches the floor. And you bend down in a squat. And then shuffle 6 punches to the side. Up, down plank. Engage your core. So you're tucking your tummy and your bottom. Stay with me. Now again, high knees and fast punches. Lunges, reverse lunges, alternate left and right leg. So you just go to one side after you got done a bit on one side. 8 on one side, okay? Box push-ups. You keep your arms very close to your body the whole time. They are tucked in on your sides. Slow motion burpees, you jump up and you walk down into a plank. Squat floor touches again. Alternate the hands that touches the floor. So you can see there on the side as well. Shuffle and then 6 punches. Up and down plank. You engage your core, your tummy and your bottom. And then high knees and fast punches again. Go as high up as you possibly can. Okay, and then you punch straight forward. Reverse lunges, you drive the knee up and you alternate the legs. You do 8 on each side. Box push-ups is a modified push-ups. And you keep your arms close to your body. And then slow motion burpees. Go into a plank and then jump up. And now you do shuffle and 6 punches. And then shuffle again. 8 of those. Up and down plank. You do 8 of those as well. If you enjoy this video, like it, share it, subscribe to it. And if you have any question, just leave a comment below and I'll make sure to answer it. Bye!